Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Dave Atkinson here, and I'm sitting beside Darren from Roland. Darren, how you doing, man?
Very well, man.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, too. Well, now, this course that you're watching here is called Exploring the TD50. And what it is we're not going to teach you any kind of beats or anything like that. All this is we're going to showcase some of the cool features of the TD50 and explain some of the new features on there for those who might not know. Also, for those who already have a TD50 or maybe you're about to buy one, we're going to do everything from unbox the kit, set it up, show you the basic features, how to plug everything in, and then talk about how to record yourself, how to change your kit, set up all these cool sounds on the kit as well. So it's going to be a very informative course, and that is why I brought Darren in, because Darren, you work with Roland.
I do, yes. This is my 25th year with the company, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
So what is your role there right
Well, my job description is I'm marketing manager and sales manager for the percussion product group. So everything drums and Roland, that's my responsibility for Canada.
Very cool. We've had the privilege of working with Darren quite a bit in the last couple of years now, and I really wanted to get someone other than myself explaining all this stuff, and Darren knows this kit inside and out. So I hope you guys enjoy this. The first video that you're watching right now, we're going to unbox the kit. When you buy a TD50, this is how it comes, correct?
That's right, 4 boxes.
4 boxes?
Yeah.
So the big one has the rack, I'm assuming?
No, actually the TD50 DP here, it's called the digital pack, and it contains the module, the TD50 module, the new PD140 DS digital snare pad, and then the 18-inch ride, the CY18DR. So that's the main components of the TD50 kit. Over to the next box, the TD50 KVA, that includes all the pads, like the tom pads and the cymbal pads and the rest of the kit. The MDS50 KV is the rack. Everything, all the clamps, all the cables, everything comes all in that box. And lastly, over there is a KD140, and that's the bass drum trigger pedal, or trigger pad. And so that entails a TD50 KVS is what the model of this, the top-of-the-line flagship kit.
Excellent. Now, the top-of-the-line flagship kit, they're not cheap.
No.
How much does one of these kits cost you?
In Canada, it's $10,000. And
Okay.
so do your math and conversion around the world. But yeah, this is back in 1997, the first V-Drums kit. This is the 20th anniversary of V-Drums this year, so it's a pretty cool year for us.
Yeah.
Back in 1997, the TD10 was the first flagship kit, and it was $10,000. So we've come 4 generations past that now, and the price is still the same.
Yeah. Well, you guys are always upgrading things. You're always adding new features, always changing something on there. And, you know, when I was young, I'd always look at the brand new Roland kits that came out, but I had no idea what was on them unless I went to a music store to try them out. You know, I mean, now there's websites. Your Roland website's amazing. You guys can check out more information on their website. But there was never any real demos from everything from setting it up to showing you the features of it. So that's what this is going to be, because, you know, drummers like us, we all love talking about gear. We all love seeing what is new and upcoming. And this is basically, this year. This is brand new.
Yep.
And there's some really cool things on it. So with that all being said, guys, we're going to put some music on for you, and we're going to speed it up because it might be a little boring if we did this in real time, but we're going to unbox this kit for you, and we're going to show you what everything looks like with what you get if you order one of these for yourself. Cool?
Okay.
Let's do it. All right.
Let's do it.
Okay, so there is the entire kit out of the box. There were 4 boxes originally, and now we've spread everything out here. So Darren, what is all included here? What are we seeing? What are we looking at?
Well, there's the rack that's not yet put together, but We positioned it so that the cables are down the left side, and we can get into that in a minute. And all the cymbal booms, all the clamps and everything to mount the drums. Up in the front there, we've got the KD140s. That's the kick drum trigger pad. In the middle is the heart of the kit. Of course, it's the digital snare drum, the 14-inch PD140 DS. Of course, the module, the TD50 module right there. The big ride cymbal, this is the digital CY18DR 18-inch digital ride. Over here we have the stack of toms. We have one rack tom, or high tom, and then 2 floor toms. And then over in that corner we've got a 14-inch and a 15-inch crash and a set of hi-hats. And everything to put it all together.
Awesome, awesome. One thing he was saying too is that the boxes they come in, Roland has won awards on their design for how they package everything.
Yeah,
you were saying
the packaging. Yeah, there's in terms of being conscious of our environment. Yeah. And styrofoam is a big no-no by today's standards, and so that forced us to get pretty cool with some of the design of the boxing. And so a lot of the boxes were started out as one flat piece of cardboard that's folded and cut in different ways, and so it's got strength and integrity, but it took a lot of engineering to get there. So
no doubt,
and lightweight as well. So yeah, there's been some fun with that.
No packing peanuts. We didn't have to vacuum.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all out of its box. Now, be careful when you're unboxing it, because there are little things hidden sometimes, I was noticing, in the little creases of the box, which are very important. Stuff like this.
That's a cymbal stopper. Very, very important. I'll show you how this goes on. It goes on top of the cymbal boom, and the cymbal rests on top of it. And what it does, it actually allows the cymbal pad to swivel or to rotate this way, but not this way. Okay, so it's called a cymbal stopper.
Very important stuff. Here's just an extra cable, I'm imagining.
That's right, yeah. And very important to note, it's a TRS. So there's 2 black rings there, tip ring sleeve, and all the kit requires TRS cables to use. So if you ever need to replace one, make sure it's TRS.
Gotcha. You said this bag was very, very important.
Yes.
Explain quickly what's in there.
That is the hi-hat hardware. Okay, so the hi-hat clutch and then the mounting system that you'll need to mount to a hi-hat stand. I'll bring to your attention, there's a couple of pieces that aren't included in this kit because Roland simply doesn't make it. It's a snare drum stand and a hi-hat stand. And of course your bass drum pedals. It'll work with any bass drum pedals. So this is designed to mount to any hi-hat stand.
Makes sense.
Okay.
And then in here, we've got a stick bag, is that correct?
Yeah, well this is some really good reading. But yeah, a little stick bag that hangs off the rack so you can stick a couple pairs of sticks.
And then a drum key, and these look like just clamps to keep the wires intact.
That's right, yep. Little clamps to kind of cable management to keep it all nice and tidy.
Very cool. This stuff.
Yes, there's some good reading in there, and I really encourage you to read it. Right now, we're not going to, because, well, I've read it over and over. But anytime I get a new drum kit, it's my job, and I find it interesting too, is just to kind of read it cover to cover. But most people, of course, do this, and so you can watch this video instead.
That's why we're doing this video.
That's right.
So this is the next video we're gonna do is setting the kit up. So we've unboxed it and everything like that. So follow along with us in the next video, and if you do have anything else that you have, any questions, that you have, make sure you refer to that book, because as Darren said, they've done spent a lot of time in making sure it's worded correctly and all the information's in there. So basically you can find anything you need in those books.
Absolutely, yeah.
Including how to set it up. But if you don't want to read the book, join us on the next lesson where we're gonna put this kit together. See you there.